Hello and welcome to Diggy's Do's. My name is Tom and this is an introductory video of my modest small workshop where I design and build many different projects. Although my shop is small, I am a skilled designer and craftsman with experience in carpentry, construction, electrical, plumbing, electronics, mechanics, and anything else I decide I need to know. Now a quick tour around the wood shop shows two belt sanders on the far bench, my carpenter's bench I built from a large scrap industrial door, my bandsaw that does not have a home yet since it's only a few months old and I have not had time to build a stand, my drill press over on the back wall, and my old Delta table saw. Next to the saw is my 4x8 fold-up workbench. There will be more on that in a later video. And last on the left is my wood storage, which is mostly cut-offs and remnants of old projects. I try to reuse and repurpose everything possible, avoiding throwing anything away. Let's turn around and look back the other way to get a full picture. We see the entrance from the house, my cement mixer, a wood chipper, and a kitchen-type cabinet with a sink, which is one of the first things I built after buying the house. A clothes washer and dryer is in the corner, but I did not build those. Well, that's my shop where I design and build all of my projects. Last are some snapshots of things that I have built, including this end table, which I cloned from another but added drawers, battery-operated candy dispenser with coin slot, television stand with built-in subwoofer, corner storage shelf with sliding doors, a 3D printer stand, and my drill press stand. I both designed and built these projects, and with the exception of the end table, the designs are my own, and I can provide building plans for any of them. The first project I'm going to publish will be the cabinets seen at the beginning of this video on the far right wall. Subscribe to get notifications when new projects are published.